The cast iron wok pan is a versatile and essential kitchen tool. With its large 14.2-inch diameter, it provides ample cooking space for stir-frying, sautéing, deep frying, and more. Made from durable cast iron, it offers excellent heat retention and even heat distribution, ensuring that your food cooks evenly. The wok features a flat bottom that sits perfectly on any stovetop, including electric, gas, and induction. This allows for stability while cooking and prevents any potential accidents. The flat bottom also makes it suitable for other cooking methods such as baking or roasting in the oven. One of the standout features of the cast iron wok pan is its seasoned surface. The pan comes pre-seasoned with a non-stick coating, which improves with use over time. The natural non-stick properties make cooking and cleaning a breeze, while also enhancing the flavors of your dishes. The large size of the wok pan allows you to cook generous portions of food, making it ideal for family meals or entertaining guests. The high sides prevent any spills or splatters, keeping your stovetop clean. The sturdy handle provides a comfortable grip and remains cool to the touch, ensuring safe handling. Maintenance of the cast iron wok pan is straightforward. It is recommended to hand wash it with minimal soap and avoid using harsh abrasives to preserve the seasoned coating. Proper care and occasional reseasoning will help maintain the pan's quality and longevity. In conclusion, the cast iron wok pan with its large size, excellent heat distribution, and seasoned surface is a versatile and reliable